fix CapCut app not working on your iPhone or iPad. So if you want to fix CapCut app not working on your iPhone or your iPad, then just follow these simple steps carefully to resolve the problem. First, you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection or a Wi-Fi connection, and also ensure that VPN is disconnected if it's turned on. Next, you need to open up your settings. From settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then go with general. On general, go with software update and make sure that your iPhone or your iPad is running the latest iOS version. After updating, you can go back to your settings, open up the iPhone storage, which is under your general, tap on iPhone storage, and then scroll down until you find CapCut application. Or if you don't, you can also search for CapCut and you'll find the CapCut, tap on CapCut, and then select offload app. This will remove temporary files without deleting your data. Once that's done, tap to reinstall the app from the same section, and that's it. This will fix you the crashing issue with the CapCut app on your iPhone or your iPad. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.